This muffin is made of whole wheat flour and it turns out to be super soft and fluffy and spongy, and I always make this for my daughter. Let's learn how to make this. You can totally replace eggs with half cup of buttermilk, or in 1 cup of milk add 1 teaspoon of vinegar. Set it aside for 5 minutes. First mix the dry ingredients and after 5 minutes use that buttermilk which is made of vinegar.
Preesha, look at Daddy. What are you making?
I'm making cake.
Good. Yummy?
Yummy.
Like,
Share
share,
and subscribe.
subscribe.
Like this. Bye bye.
Bye bye.
I love you all.
I love you all.